My dad was a patrol director at Pico, and my mom was a part-time ski instructor, so our entire family grew up skiing at Pico and Killington. And as I got older and was able to ski more of the terrain at Killington, it became my primary place to ski. I can't remember a November since I was a little kid that had this much snow and good conditions and open terrain, and we got another 18 inches, so the skiing is phenomenal right now. Highline is in amazing condition, and Chute and Bunny Buster and Downdraft are all skiing really nicely. If the season can continue the way it has started, it's going to be awesome. I'm going to try to get more days than ever this year. My name's Mike Aicher, and I ski at Killington Resort.